When we drug this car into the shop, we didn't know a whole lot about it other than it needed a whole lot of work ahead on it. When we found it, it was basically on its last leg and definitely on the end of its road. As you guys know, we love everything lowered around the shop here. So that was pretty much the first thing we wanted to mark off the list, to get this car dropped down with a new stance and the attitude that we liked. Being that this car was a 68, we also wanted to switch up some panels to make it appear like it's an earlier bug as well. As we began to replace some of these body panels on the car, it was evident that this thing was going to need paint. So we decided to do a little bit more body work than normal, scratch the whole patina idea, and go with something shiny. I guess I have to say that the only downfall towards this car is that sometimes it just has a mind of its own.